this week market has taken a very dramatic situation, and we have seen highs of 10,930, and we ended this week with the lowest point at 10,596. So that is what Karnataka election outcome has given to the market. As we mentioned in the last week that post Karnataka election outcome, market will move back to observe and monitor on the macroeconomical data, wherein rupee has weakened further to its almost 16 months low at 68.11, and today also it has closed around 68.04. So that is the worrisome situation, and crude is again post imposition of a new deal, Iran nuclear deal cancellation of US, that has driven crude price to $80 mark today. So that is driving a negative factor for Indian economy, and that has reflected into the stock market reaction today in last 2 days. So we have corrected almost by 350 odd points in this week itself from highs to low. And we have a corporate earnings season where we have seen many disappointments, especially from the PSU banks. PNB has come out with a very bad set of numbers with 30,500 odd crores loss for the provision of Nirav Modi on the jewelry sector provisions. And still here the NP is 18%. So putting that and plus other UCO Bank and Allahabad Bank has come out with their dismal numbers. So that's why the bond yield post RBI's action has gone up to 7.83, and it is quoting at the same level right now from 7.7 last week. So these all are factoring negative mark for the Indian economy, and the results are also not supporting any more into the positive territory. And we will be having continuing corporate earnings season next week, and where SBI, the bellwether of PSU Bank, the leader, will come out with the numbers. Tata Chemicals, Tata Motors, we will see Motherson Sumi will come out with the results. For today, Bajaj Auto and Ashok Leyland has not done any disappointment. They are very much in line with their expectation. Barring FMCG and private sector banks, we don't foresee that there is anything much of a attraction on the buying side. But these are the sectors which are the driving force and having a conservative approach to the markets. So next week again, it seems that the pessimistic situation with the rising rupee and the crude both, with rising bond yield, will have some kind of negative repercussion for the market in the next week also. And probably right now the technical support is 10,530, but we may see a drift down to below that level. And next week also would be could be considered as a bad one. But investors should not be worried. This kind of a cycle will continue throughout the calendar year 2018, and not to worry on these short-term hinges. That's all for this week. Have a great week.